Dahil lagi inaantok. Hi, Greenie. Lagi inaantok pag andito ako sa live. Kung hindi ako tatawa, inaantok ako. Feel ko hindi ako maaantok pag nakita ko yung summer. Oh, you're in Starbucks. Wow. Your breakfast is expensive. I only ate champorado. Do you know champorado? That's my breakfast. Yours is expensive. Wala na, the silent kid. Pag kinalimutan, wala na. Bawal umulit. Do you have allowance in your in your internship? Nikosu. Hi, Arnon. Stranger? Hi, Kakashi. Kakashi, where are you from? Wala, nila lumang. What? You have? Oh, the school is giving you allowance? We don't have that. Even the company we did the internship, they didn't give us allowance. It's like internship for free. Hi, peace sign. Inaantok. Nadadamay na ako sa antok ni Harji. See, hindi ako scholar eh. I'm not a scholar. Maybe that's why we don't. But no, the internship the allowance in the internship depends on the company. Even though you're not a scholar, if the company give you an allowance, then you're lucky. Maybe I'm not lucky to that company. We don't have an allowance. I've been there for 3 months. We work for free. San ba may na may allowance? Lilipat mo ako. Ah, so cute. What do you mean so cute, Nikosu? Am I when I'm ranting? I'm gonna rant all day if that would make me cute. Oo, wala. Wala, 3 months kami dun, walang allowance dun. Dapat kasi sa Manila na lang ako pag sa Manila ka nag-OJT, may allowance. Maliit na company lang kasi yun eh. Siya, parang we work for the experience. Diba? Feel ko kung nasa Manila ako, paldo ako doon. Nakagala pa sana ako. Walang allowance. May allowance ba dyan sa mo? Lilipat na ako, stranger. Wait lang, may sasabihin lang ako kay Papa. Hi, L3. Hi, Horse. Hi, Jeff. Ang dami mong name. Let's go. I'm gonna pack now. Kung ikaw lang din, wag ka na talaga. Wait lang nga, ano ba to? Okay na. Let's go, Nico. So, are you still here?